Good morning, children. This is Manju Das presenting for you the second chapter of Class 8 NCRT. So, welcome you online teaching. Session 2020-21. In previous chapter, we had learned about crop, various types of a crop, various 7 steps of agriculture practices, storage, and the last we have studied about the animal husbandry. Today let's go for the second chapter, that is microorganism is a friend or foe. Let us foe means, what is the meaning of a foe? Foe means a enemy. Now we will go for that introduction part. Microorganisms. Microorganisms means tiny tiny ones which we cannot see with our naked eyes. We have several kinds of plants and animals. There are other living organisms around us which we normally cannot see. These are called microbes or microorganisms. For example, during rainy season, if bread moist and if it is kept open, it gets spoiled. From that smells comes out and its surface gets covered with the grease white patches. Means microbes may grow in bread. Another example, take a pond, water and moist soil from your surrounding and observe under magnifying glass. You can see some microbes and the other microbes you cannot be seen. Some microbes we cannot see under magnifying glass. It is very tiny one. It cannot be seen by our naked eyes. So these are called unicellular organisms. Organisms are divided into unicellular or multicellular organism. Now next, let us learn about more about the organisms. The types of organisms. Organisms is divided into two types, that is unicellular organisms and multicellular organism. Unicellular organism, it is a single cell organisms. It cannot be seen by our naked eyes. It can examine under the microscope. Its lifespan is very short. All the metabolic activities is done by a single cell. Metabolic activities means digestion, excretion, respiration, etc. Now next we will learn about a multicellular organism. Multicellular organism means organism which we can see by our naked eyes is called multicellular organism. Its lifespan is longer. Some microorganisms we can see, some microorganisms we cannot see. Next we will move to the group of organisms. Classified microorganisms are classified into four major groups. These groups are bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and some algae. Some of these common microorganisms are shown in the given pictures. Afterwards, I will show you the pictures. Now, microorganisms are helpful for us and it is dangerous for us. So, some disease caused by the bacteria. I will give you some example that disease caused by the bacteria. But from the bacteria, the disease caused are typhoid, tuberculosis, and the bacterial infection, etc. Some diseases which are caused by the protozoans are dysentery, malaria, etc. And the disease which are caused by the viruses is a polio and chicken pox. It is spread, virus is spread very fast. Virus is very dangerous and no vaccination is made till now for the virus. That's why we are sitting at home, we are staying home because virus is spread very fast in our environment, that is COVID-19. Now we will move to the next topic, that is about where do microorganisms live. Microorganisms, they found everywhere under all types of environment because it is a single cell, it cannot be seen by our naked eyes. It is a presence everywhere. They are found inside the bodies of animals also, including a human being. Some microorganisms grows on the other organism while other exist freely. Microorganisms like Amoeba can live alone, while fungi and bacteria may live in the colonies. Now, next we will move to our next topic, that is microorganism and us. Microorganisms play an important role in our lives. Some of them are beneficial in many ways, whereas some are harmful and causes a disease. Here, here you can see some pictures of the microorganisms. See the figure 2.1. Here the pictures of the bacteria it is given. First one, it is a spiral bacteria. It is in the spiral form. And the second picture you can see in the bacteria, the rod shape bacteria. The shape and the structure of the bacteria, it is a rod shape. Now you come to the second one, figure 2.2. See the algae, Chlamydomonas and the Spirogyra. These two are the example of a algae. Chlamydomonas is the single cell microorganisms. And in C, in figure 2.3, protozoa. Protozoa, amoeba and parameciums are the examples of the protozoa. Now that see the figure 2.4, that here some fungi pictures are given here. First one is a bread mold, second one is a penicillins and aspergillus. Now the last picture is about the virus. See the pictures of virus. It is a very dangerous one and it is spread very fast. Till now no vaccination is made for the virus. If any person is suffering from the virus, it is a very dangerous and it is a communicable diseases. It is spread it very fast.